First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 2 times 8. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So here we have 1 over 1 times 4, which equals 4. So 8 divided by 4 is just 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 8. Okay, first we do this multiplication. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So 16 times 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. So we write 8 here and the carry 4 here. 8 times 1 equals 8, and 8 plus 4 gives us 12. So we have 128, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 128.